I've filmed all these intros and conclusions on one day, so I don't know that this will have 100% worked out, but hopefully this is our last experiment. And I've saved it for last mainly because it's another of the really qualitative ones. We're going to look at diffraction, and the lab's going to be about setting up a Fraunhofer diffraction pattern, which, if you remember, is one where both the source and the screen on which the image are displayed are at infinity. Now, we can't actually set stuff at infinity, but we can kind of use lenses to create that effect. So this experiment is very precise. And it's actually quite difficult to get set up well and to get good results for diffraction patterns. So the videos that will follow will largely be about how to set up this type of experiment in an optics lab. And then we'll see, once I've got everything set up, we'll see how the components kind of go together and produce diffraction patterns. And I'm going to put various different diffraction objects into the kind of place. You'll see it, the holder, when I've got it all set up, and hopefully we'll see some diffraction patterns. But it just sometimes you won't get a pattern from one set of apertures or obstacles, and you will from another, just because it's, like I said, it requires really precise setup. But at the beginning of next term, so that will be in September, on the first two Wednesday afternoons, so we'll be doing from 12 till 5, I'm going to have experiments set up in this room, one or two of each, I hope, depending on how much space I have available, and you'll have a chance to come in and try at least some of the experiments for yourself. You probably won't have time to do all the readings and carry out everything, but the information that you've received in these videos and the PowerPoints and all that kind of stuff, that's given you all the data. So in the labs, you've already done all the data handling and the data processing. What you haven't completely done is setting up the experiments, which you haven't really done at all, and the data acquisition, which for the most part you have kind of done similarly to how you would in the lab. Admittedly, you're reading it off a photo rather than reading it off the actual instrument, but the principle's kind of there. So you'll have a chance, as I said, it's entirely optional, but you will have a chance to come in and physically try these experiments. So you should hopefully develop the practical skills that you need to go forward. Obviously that's contingent on the university's situation at the time. So I'm recording this on, basically it's the 15th of February. September is a long way away, so I don't know what's going to happen, but yeah, hopefully we'll be you can tell by my grunt there, but hopefully we'll be back in a more normal situation in the world. We need to wait and see. Anyway, this is our last experiment. This will be one that you write up a lot more than you analyze results in. Hope you enjoy the experiment, and let's see how it goes.